this is a video I've never done before, so bear with me, guys. I'm doing the unboxing video of the Gordon Metal Detector. That's the brand right here, if you want to get one for yourself. So let's open this box up and see what's inside. If I can get it open. So it looks like we got our bottom piece here. This is the part that hovers across the ground, like this. Get the box out of the way. Here's the box, if you want to look at it though. Alright, so let's set this thing up. Got the first piece. We got our second. And we got our third. This is the handle, so put the knife down. Here's how it's going to go. It's going to go like this. This is where the batteries are going to go and where it's going to make noise. Looks like it's the reading piece. So you're going to get like your signals right here. Get the cardboard out of here. Looks like we got some type of, oh, well, I dropped something. But it looks like we got some type of a pouch right here. Oh, I know what this is. It's a pouch to put the metal detector inside. So if you want to hold it up and put it in here and carry it somewhere, you can. It makes it pretty easy. You also have a strap, so you can strap it to your shoulders, or maybe your back or neck or whatever else, and carry it wherever you want. So that's good to have. Good to have, sorry. It also comes with 2 batteries. Looks like these are 9 volts. Yep. So you don't have to worry about paying for extra batteries. Well, I mean, you could, but we got 2 right here. That's pretty good. Now, I'll be right back, and I'm going to set this thing up. Aha. So it looks like, to me, these 2 pieces right here connect to this right here. So, if you guys are doing this too, you need to unscrew these. And screw them into the bottom here, like this. Just need to line it up. And screw it in like this. Now, we need to adjust the rest of it and put it together. There we go. Now that this piece is in here, we need to connect the other piece. Like so. Alright, now that this is lined up, this is what it should look like. I don't know if you can see the full thing. Let me check. You can, alright. So, now what we need to do is we need to attach this piece. Doing this with one hand, guys. Sorry, let me do it with both hands. We need to get this piece unscrewed like so. And definitely don't lose this. This is a washer, I'm pretty sure, that goes to the other side. case you can't see it, just spell out again, it goes right there. So if this is what yours looks like, if you have one, make sure you have that washer because it's important. Now, oh, speaking of having a washer, just spell out again. Now, we're going to need to put the washers in, make sure they stay in this time, and connect it to here, like so. As you can see, the pole should be in between these two little pieces right here. Now it should start to screw in pretty easily. Then you put your other protector piece on here until they're tight. And then there you go. Now it should be able to do this. Make sure it's not too loose, but not too tight either. And then now, last but not least, what we need to do is you need to connect this piece to right here. Be careful not to cut the wires as well. Or your fingers for that matter. Your fingers are important. Alright. Now, you need to find the way the shape is and connect it to here. Like so. And then the very, very last step is to open your batteries because they're going to be in plastic. Now, insert the batteries into the place where they need to go. All you have to do is slide this piece off of here. It's not going to go easy. You have to kind of push hard on it. There we go. And now, there can be two pieces here. One right there, and one right here. You need to connect the batteries to those pieces. So, you need to make sure both of these go into the thing, just like this. There we go. And now that it's closed back up, you can test it out. Sorry if the camera light is like very bright, but I'm going to try to make it work because it's the only camera I got. So here we go, try it out. Right off the bat, we're getting a signal. Alright. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to need a pin pointer and a shovel. What is a pin pointer, you might ask? Well, it's this. It's this little device used to pinpoint exactly where that object is. So they come in many different brands. This is not the main focus of the video, but you can look up one and buy one yourself if you want. I'm using the Garrett one. So let's turn it on and see exactly where the treasure is. Very close. That means it's in here somewhere. And here it is. We got our treasure. We got a soda can top. So this proves that it actually works. The metal detector actually works. Because it found the exact spot it was in, and we used our pin pointer to locate 100% where it's at. So, I would recommend getting the Gordon Metal Detector. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video wasn't too super cringe. I've never done a video like this before, so thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I lied. This is not the end. Remember, always fill back in the holes that you dug, like this. Alright, with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. Always remember to replace your divots in the ground so you're not leaving holes everywhere for people to step in if you go in a public place. So, with that said, thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day. And there's dogs and cars in the background.